Yo, what's up? Over here in San Antonio, Tower of the Americas. I'm right below the observation deck. And I'm here at the base of the tower. And there is a Mopar meet over here on the property of the tower. And it's really just a bunch of Mopar cars. Really just Chargers and Challengers, that's pretty much it. A lot of the cars look really nice. So I heard about this event earlier today on events on Facebook. So came out here to check it out. This one is clean. I like that color. Nice looking rims. That is a nice Charger right there. They have a couple of classic cars out here also. I'm gonna get to those in a minute. This one is nice. I think this guy is from Europe because he has these little pictures here. The Nürburgring. So I think this is the more interesting one for me. Took out to the Nürburgring, or he's from Europe. It's a really sweet looking Charger. That was nice. So, some more of the classic vehicles. A 340. Duster 340. Wow, that's nice. Get a good clear image from the back side of the vehicle. Do a full walk around. Duster on the side. Robert would have already gotten up and started It was a really nice car. The gas cap is just like right there. Doesn't even have a door. You just remove the cap and bam, there you go. Fill it up. South Park, New Jersey. Oh, I'm sorry, South River, New Jersey. And then here is the Roadrunner edition. Plymouth Roadrunner. Really nice. $340. That's really nice. Thank you.
Do you have his number?
All right, take it. Roadrunner. Yeah, these cars are nice. Definitely.
What, but did you die?
I like the white on this car. Okay, bye. Mystique. The blue on this car looks great. some of these vehicles, I have seen them before at another event that they have in town. It's like a monthly meet. They meet up. I got to get video of their next meetup. That car has a really, I'm sorry, that meet has a really good turnout. A lot of cars show up there. Some really nice cars. I've seen a Gen 1 Supra out there, and then a couple of other cars. I can't remember the names at the moment, but a lot of Hemis and Mustangs, a little bit of everything, new and antique classics. It's a really good turnout. I just gotta catch it. Gotta get like a day off on one of those days that they actually have like the next one, and get me a video. Get a good video of that. That's gonna be like an hour's worth of like video. Because that one, man, that's just like a good meet to show up at, but it's just kind of hard for me to catch it. But I definitely will have to try this month or next month.
They're gonna Christian.
El Diablo SRT. This one is nice. It's a nice color. The rims match the color of the car perfect. It's a perfect match. It looks really nice. For, I'll have to say, this is like my personal favorite new generation Dodge Charger. I like this one. It is nice.
Y'all get out the way. Hey, y'all come over here.
I like this one. Color on this one is nice too, but definitely not as good as the red one, but definitely nice. All right, 3 more cars, and these are Challengers. This first one, red and black, looks really nice. Nice. What? A V6? $220. Nice. Nice looking Challenger. Can't really see them, but there's rear diffusers on this car. This one is Predator themed. Predator from the movie Predator. Not to be confused with the other kind of Predator, but either way. Anyway, it's a nice looking car. And this one is nice. Lowered. Oh damn, this is a nice Challenger. Too dark on this side, but it still looks good. Sled. Damn, it's too dark on this, on the back side over here. Tried to get out here a little earlier, but didn't get here on time. If I heard about it sooner, I probably would have got out here. It's alright, there's always another event. This one is nice. I like this car. My favorite Challenger. Then that red Charger is sweet. Gonna be focused on the rear side of this car for a minute. I'm gonna do a quick short on my account. Actually, I think I want to get it from the front side. I like this car. But I definitely want to get some of the side, so yeah, I'm over here at the Tower of America, Mopar car meet, and this one here is a baddie. This is a nice car. Gotta do a short on this one over here. Yeah, I'm over here at the Tower of America, Mopar car meet. Over here at the base of the tower. I have to do a short on this one. This is a badass car right here. Dodge Challenger. Alright. That's done. Alright, so anyway, so yeah, so Got here a little bit later than expected, but I did see some nice cars out here. Pretty nice looking turnout. We gotta catch more events like these because it's really nice. So yeah, anyway, so where does this take me? Let's see. I think I might just get some of the tower. So yeah, Tower of America, Mopar meet. It's pretty awesome. And we're here at the base of the tower. Yep. Yeah, so we'll be trying to try to catch some more of their car meets. They have like a monthly car meet at a mall here in town. Haven't been thinking about it, but I do want to catch one of their meets because, man, they got like some nice cars that show up out there. Like I said earlier, a Toyota Supra, a few other cars. I can't remember the names off the top of my head at the moment, but very nice. You know, next time I go out there, I hope I see that Supra and that other car. And it's like a Dodge two-door. It's an older Dodge two-door. I just can't remember the name. But man, that car is sweet. But until then, go ahead and watch the video, check it out, like and subscribe. It's a slow process, but hopefully this year will be better for me. I'll release some more videos. And go ahead and enjoy the video. Thank you.